Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Kaisar Farooq. Subscribe to Rhythm Time for amazing contents.
The name Kisahani comes from the ancient times when traders from Afghanistan and the Middle East, while going to China, would stay here in hotels. So the locals would offering them stay along with a green tea and then in the night telling them stories. And so this bazaar of Peshawar, famous with the name of Kisahani Bazaar Peshawar, are storytellers. Entering from Hyper Bazaar to Kisahani Bazaar, adjacent to Kabli Gate is Shahjanu Chowk. The story behind this: in 1930 there had been a fight between a Hindu-Muslim group and the British security forces. In this battle, two Muslims leading their group, one after one, embraced martyrdom, and thus a monument was built in their memorandum, as well as the square was named Shahidana Chowk or Martyr Square. Right next to the Shahidana Chowk, there is a street full of desi and traditional foods of Peshawar. Here you can find chapli kebab, chicken seekh, chicken kadai, kabli pulao, Turkaman pulao, Balochi sajji, and also the famous Lahori sweet of 1925. Here you can have Lahori breakfast, halwa puri. Inside this street, there is a famous tea shop which is older more than 100 years. According to this Baba, his ancestors were used to run this shop in ancient times. This bamboo shop was once owned by the late first uncle of the famous Indian actor Shah Rukh Khan, which is now sold out by them. Kisahani Bazaar has a very rich history. Here is the shrine of Sayyid Ahmad Shah Buhari. Also, the renowned Indian actors Dilip Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan, and the Kapoor family belongs to Kisahani Bazaar and Peshawar. Here one can find the famous Nanna Mahi, where fish are fried and grilled almost in fact round the year. After the fish, we moved to the famous Zaika Chawal, famous for its taste all over Peshawar, and people from far away when come to Kisahani Bazaar also taste this famous Zaika Chawal Kabli Pulao, topped with channa, dry fruits, and beef. Apart from traditional foods like chapli kebab, chicken kadai, chicken seekh kebab, balochi sajji, and kabli pulao, one can also find some desi foods like lassi, dahi, chole, लोबिया, कचालू या अरबी कह सकते हैं, which are among the most liked street foods of Peshawar. After having our meal of the day, we moved to the famous Peshawar Faluda house. Here we served the Faluda, which was indeed tasty and sweety. And then to break our thirst, have a glass of Rehan and Zafran juice or sharbat. And the next end of Kisahani Bazaar, there is a shop offering the services of photography. They also have painted the famous personalities on the cups as well as in portrait. Kisahani Bazaar have several Islamic book centers. यहाँ पर आपको मिसवाक, दंदसा, की चेन्स, नसवार और साथ में काजल भी जो पिसा हुआ मिल जाता है, जिसको आमतौर पर ख़वातीन अपनी ज़ेब व ज़बाइश के लिए इस्तेमाल करती हैं, जो कि सबसे बढ़कर सुन्नत नबवी भी है। यहाँ पर इसको दिखाते हैं कि किस तरह इसको पीसा जाता है। In Kisahani Bazaar there are many shops of green tea, black tea, lemongrass and also the masalas. And that's all for today. See you in the next episode, someday, somewhere, with another video and a new place. Until then, it's me, Dr. Kaisar Farooq, signing out. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.